guys that have been around as long as me that were installing the windows we were installing in the 60s and 70s, we should be arrested.
Just a slap on the wrist, maybe.
Would that be sufficient, you think? We were installing aluminum frame, single pane, clear glass. But in our defense, they were the only windows available.
Oh, absolutely. Technology's best.
And technology has really... And what I tell people on windows or on anything, if you can go from an R1, which is 1/8 clear plate glass, you got an R1. So the ability to resist heat transfer is almost nothing. If you go from R1 to R2, that's an exponential gain. It's not just a geometric gain. That's an exponential gain. So when you take a window from an R1 to R4, that's monster in what you can save in energy transfer. So one of the things we should be arrested for is the way, because I went from carpentry to stucco. And when Western One Coat got invented and we converted from 3-coat lath, scratch brown texture coat to 1-coat acrylic stucco, we really created a lot of problems for homes built prior to 1999.